This exercise, we call it 4 on the floor. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. We call it 4 on the floor because all 4 quarter notes are on the floor for the kick, all right? So we'll start with the kick on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll add the hi-hat in. It's also on all 4s, all 4 quarter notes. 2 and the 4. 1, 2, ready, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. All right. Remember, so the first time you hit, it's the hi-hat and the kick. Second time, it's all 3. Hi-hat, snare, kick. Hi-hat, kick, and then those alternate. You do hi-hat, kick, all 3. All right? It's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all those two concepts alternate. You got kick, hi-hat, then all 3. Kick, hi-hat, all 3. Kick, hi-hat, all 3. Repeat it. Stop. All right, you got it. Work out.